If just 5 people you try to connect with say, "I don't know this person," when you try to connect with them on LinkedIn, you can end up in LinkedIn jail. This means you will not be able to connect with anyone for the next 30 days without their email address. This could be disastrous for your business efforts. Research from LinkedIn suggests that you need an 80% acceptance rate for your connection requests, so it's important that you're reaching out to prospects in the right way that will have them accept your connection. My name is Steve Bruce, and I'm a Hong Kong-based independent LinkedIn trainer. I help senior executives, business owners, and corporate teams to present themselves powerfully on LinkedIn. At workshop number 9 in my bite-sized LinkedIn series, you'll learn the tips, tricks, and hacks you need to know to get clients and prospects to happily accept your connection request on LinkedIn. To learn more, get in touch with me at stevebruce@sbconsulting.com.hk. I'm looking forward to helping you soon.